Hello everyone, in this video, I will be going over how to use ChatGPT in other languages. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. You have two options when using ChatGPT to create responses in a particular language. Either enter your prompt in English and request a response in your chosen language, or input your prompt in a different language. ChatGPT will respond to you in the language you use in your prompt. I suggest that you click on a new chat every time you change a language. Like for this one, earlier I used Tagalog, and with this one I am using Nihongo. For the best responses, ensure you write effective prompts. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.